Listen closely. If you're watching this and you're not tapped into Tstackz.cash, you're literally leaving free money on the table. That's why I have the Rackz report. For any of y'all that are unsure about trading yet, I have a free email newsletter right here, which takes you to the Rackz report. And there you get weekly trade breakdowns, one sniper trade a week, real options, entries, and exit strategies, market psychology, and you also get first dibs on new VIP drops. No cost, no excuses, right? Like Christopher Richardson. Why would you not want to eat with us? Also, you will need a broker to start this process. You cannot trade without a broker, which is why I use Webull, the best trading broker in the entire world. Watch this. They got the best bid-ask spreads out of all the brokers you can choose from. They also have great user interface. And your field orders are extremely fast. And watch this. They're handing up to $3,500 in free stocks just for showing up. Use my link below. Now let's lock in and let's run it up. Tap in below.
Hey man, what's going on? It's Tstackzrackz. We are fucking back at it again, man. You already know the type of shit we on, bro. Bro, if y'all were early and y'all watched my last video, or you check me on social media, cause I post this shit all over my story, bro. We're trying to give y'all a free game. Or if you're tapped in and you're in the Discord, you would know what to do. Look, man, we literally had a wedge / trend line break yesterday. I literally called the top like 2 days ago, but I also called the bottom during this drop today because I day traded the fuck out of this shit. Made fucking 400%. Like 5x your money. Why would you not want 5x your money? Like, just being real. But a little quick PSA, man. You already know, if you are actually interested in growing your money from small accounts like $100 to $1,000 literally instantly in under 2 hours like while you're at work or some shit, bro, just tap into the Discord, bro. I literally have a free trial going on, and I'm about to delete it soon because some of y'all aren't even like taking advantage of the free trial. I'm literally giving y'all a free game, bro. Like, who else is giving y'all a free game to 5x plays like this, bro? Like, it's just a little annoying, but it's not my life, it's your life. So I know what I'm gonna do with my money. I'm gonna fucking 5x my shit every time, 6x, 7x, 8x even. So just tap into the Discord below, like, comment, and subscribe, man. So let's get into it. So SPY, right? Leader of the market. It's gonna tell you what everything else is gonna do. Dropped below. So technically it really dropped below 2 sessions ago. And then it retested the trend line. Thursday session, gap down, Friday session. You already know how that's gonna work. Get everybody excited for the exit liquidity, and then boom, smart money and whales and MMs dumped on your ass. And now, look what happened. 5 daily moving average is now negative, and it's below the 9 and 5 daily moving average. Barely holding, man. More pain is on the way if you're long. So if you're in calls, like bullish on the market, you're about to lose a lot of money. We got Fed rate decision Wednesday. Everybody's expecting a Fed rate cut, and what happens when everybody's expecting something? They do the opposite majority of the time. So watch these levels, man. As you saw, I detailed you that it was squeezing, and now the squeeze is taking place. And we saw a 600 level break. So likely 590 is coming next, and below 590 we have 580. If 580 can't hold, man, we are gonna go down a lot. Likely test these gaps right here around 570, but likely we're not gonna find a foot or a floor of support until about like 550 area, man. I'm just being real with you. If you're in the Discord, you already know. I already have my puts. If you're interested in seeing what plays we're in, bro, tap into the Discord, bro. I'm literally in a couple swings right now. Ready to maximize this potential and cash the fuck out over the next week or two. I'm gonna cash out, boy. But if somehow some news tweet or something, if we get back over 600, watch out for 605, and likely it'll just retest again, giving it more power and strength to go down lower, but above 605, going to 610 near all-time highs. QQQ, perfect setup for shorts. Retested this monthly resistance right here. Oh my gosh, like you don't, like what else like do you want? Like it's squeezing, got everybody excited near all-time highs below the upward trend line. So right now 525 is holding, but below 525 is definitely going to go retest 21 daily moving average at 521, right? But below 520, man, watch max pain around 510, but it's likely going to go touch around 500, which is going to be that yearly support. And like I said, again, there are some gaps below. So below 500, we're definitely going to retest 480 area for sure if 490 can't hold. DIA, this is the play I day traded on Friday. Got 400%, which is a 5x. You see the strong support right here. If you're using your indicators, not even technically a buyer or a seller support, but more of just using your overall knowledge of how moving averages work. And it retested this 200 daily moving average of 423. I got in around 423.5. Let me show you in the 30-minute. I was looking at the 30-minute and the 3-minute chart. When I seen this hammer right below, but what made me so confident on the entry, because it did close below this 30-minute, but what made me so confident was this IWM inside hammer candle holding above that 209 support. So I seen that holding the support, and I seen the sellers weren't crazy yet, which I knew they were going to come in later that day. I really thought it was going to push up higher. So I'm be real, I thought it was going to go to a 10x, not 5x. Just being real. But I'm very happy with the 5x gain. So I was looking back and forth between DIA and IWM. IWM was holding that support. And I seen the arbitrage. It's went down like 80%. And I was like, I gotta get in. Got in literally at the bottom, about 423.5. Sold at around half my contracts, at around 426 area. Didn't even gap fill. I thought it was gonna go to 428, and then rode the rest of the contracts out. Really could have used the opportunity to get some SQQQ calls, but instead the arbitrage wasn't there anymore. So I got some other puts holding over the weekend. Definitely gonna wake up to some profit. But it's crazy, man. I made 8,000 off of this, bro. I only sold half my contracts. Like, bro, if you're not tapping in, bro, like, bro, I'm gonna just be real with you, man. Like, the real finna end pretty soon. So I would tap in and want to get as rich as possible, brother. Just being real with you, man. Before this shit ends, so you can set yourself up and your family. And literally, you can turn fucking, nigga, the contract I got in was $24, and it went to $1.40. Like, fam, bro, you can literally turn $20 into $150. Like, and literally, what was this, fucking an hour? 8x your money in a fucking hour, dude. You're bullshitting. So now DIA is below the 200 daily moving average, but more pain is coming, brother. It didn't even feel this gap up here. The 9 and 5 daily moving average are now negative sloping. Likely what's gonna happen, we're probably gonna see a retest of this 425 resistance, which is a weekly resistance, as well as the 21 daily moving average. Great entry to, you know, put a half position. Maybe it'll come back up and fill that gap, but nice entry for a half position. You know how everybody is. Oh my God, if it doesn't gap down huge, everybody's gonna be so bearish. And then, oh my God, then they're gonna sell out. Once it starts going over 525, they're gonna go boom, back down. So below 5 or below 425, watch out for 418 area, and below 418, bro, max pain again, around 410, which is a weekly support. So watch out. A 420 is a decently strong support, but just with the sentiment, everything going on, Definitely can see it breaking 418, but above 425, expect a gap fill to 428. Don't really expect much after that, but if it does get above 428, watch out for 430 as a psychological resistance. IWM, it is holding the 21 daily moving average and this upward trend line, but still the 9 and 5 daily moving average are negative sloping. But the biggest thing for me is there's 2 unfilled gaps, and typically like that's showing that the bears are in control right here. So watch below 209 weekly support as well as upward trend line. Watch for a retest of that 204 support, which is another weekly support, as well as a negative downward trend line support. But below 204, watch out for 196. Obviously, it's 200 psychological, where people will start probably buying, and they'll probably go back up to around maybe 202, 204 area, and then move back down to 196. So watch out for this Fed move, man. This decision, it'll probably end the week around 196 area, bro. I'm just being real with y'all. Make sure you tap into Discord. Free link is below. Free link is below, man. If you're like serious about turning $100 into $1,000 in a day, 2 days, or even a week, bro, I got the free trial. Literally 7 days free sauce. You get everything a basic member would get, which is a signal starter. So you get all my plays, you get general chat, you can talk to me or anybody else in the general chat. You get the announcements, the news, the setups, the economic data, as well as earnings reports and earnings moves. So just watch out for that, man. And one thing I really want to talk to you about is VIX. Bro, I said in the last video, bro, it was squeezing. Get ready for the squeeze. It gapped up. What do we expect? Held this gap, didn't even feel this gap at $19, and then shot right back up. Like, even though you see a fucking inverted hammer red, people are gonna start shorting, bro. It's probably gonna retest that 20 and then shoot the fuck back up, man. So this squeeze just started, bro. It'll likely at least go up to $30, just being real with you. As long as it holds $20, which I'm be real, it's gonna hold $20. Just letting y'all know. But below 20, it'll retest that support of $18, which is also a very strong support. And even it could retest that $17 support, which is a weak support, but still, just to get any stragglers that came into the party late. But it'll likely hold that $20. Just letting y'all know. And this UVIX helps a lot as well too. It didn't close above the 200 daily moving average, but it did close above every single other moving average besides the 200 and the 50 daily moving average. And it's holding above this very strong support of $22. And every single moving average is now positively sloping. Right? Isn't that insane? Yeah, squeeze going on. Dollar. What did I say in the last video? I said the dollar is gonna make new lows. It broke the new low. It broke this $98 low. What I say after that, it's gonna go to 97. Below 97, watch out, man, because we have some ways to go. We have some ways to go. Below $97, I'm gonna be real with you. That is a very, very arbitrary play, which you can make a shit ton of money on, even with 100. You could probably do. I'm telling you, it might not happen in a week, but it could, based on this Fed rate policy. But this is a dollar play going on, bro. Below 97, this shit's gonna go to 92, even $90. So you can potentially turn, with the right amount of calculated risk, you could turn $50 to $100 to about, as long as you pick the right play with the right implied volatility, you can turn $50 to $100 to around, I would say, about 400 to about 600 for the $50, and about 800 to about 1,200 for the $100. So 6 to 8x. I mean 6 to 12x, potentially, even more, if it all happens in one day. So if you're trying to like really 10x your money, bro, just tap in, bro. Like, we're not like gamblers. Like, we're taking calculated risk. I just want to go over crypto too real quick. It's Saturday, and look, people don't know, but on the shorter time frame, the best time frame to use for crypto is a 2 hour and the 4 hour. I obviously use daily, weekly, and monthly, but if you're looking shorter time frames, just look at the 2 hour and the 4 hour. As you can see, the 2 hour is squeezing, and it's every single moving average is negative sloping. Ethereum is weaker than Bitcoin. If you're in the Discord, you know what that means. It's just like the QQQ / SPY relationship as it is with Ethereum and Bitcoin. If you want to learn more information, I have all this information absolutely free on my Discord. Just tap in, bro. I have my free trial below, 7 days of free trial. Soak up as much info as you need, bro. I'm literally here to help you. Bitcoin is squeezing as well. It's 2 hour, 4 hour below the 250 moving average. Same with Ethereum. Watch out, man. Once these cross, it'll create a death cross, and that is the end for crypto in the short term. So we'll see by that. So Bitcoin still holding this trend line or wedge that it broke out of, right? But below 103,000, it's gonna go to 100,000 again, and it'll likely show weakness, and it'll start waning its way down to 94,000. If there's a crazy Fed rate cut decision, dude, just watch out for a crazy move to 80,000, bro. I'm just telling you right now. I'm not making this shit up. With Ethereum, it is below a 50-week moving average, so as long as 2,500 holds, it definitely could move up, but depending on the Fed rate cut decision, if it does not hold, we do have a pretty strong support at 2,300, but below 2,300, we're gonna see a big move down to 1,400. Just mark my words. For you crypto bros. So there's also plays in MicroStrategy, Coin, and Mara. So big moves are coming this week, man. And as you can see, with the volatility increasing, the moves are gonna increase as well. So anything that's already high beta is gonna be ultra high beta, which means anything that already moves a lot is gonna move so much substantially more. So tap in, man, bro. I literally have everything you need in the Discord. Like literally, I'm literally here to help. And I'm literally looking at y'all like, bro, why are y'all not in the Discord, bro? Like, you could be making so much money, bro. Even if you're like at your 9 to 5 and you're getting maybe 2,000 bi-weekly, bro, put 500 in the stocks, bro. Bro, 2 plays, 250 here, 250 there. 250 goes to 1,000, the other 250 goes to 2,000. You literally just made what you make bi-weekly in 2 to 3 days. Even 1 day, even an hour. So just tap in with the Discord, man. I'm here to help, man. Free link, 7-day free trial below, man. If you do not want to pay, like, I feel that, bro. I know times and inflation's hard right now. That's why I like have the free trial. So I don't even care about the money, bro. I just want to help y'all learn, bro. Like, get on this mastery. So 7-day free trial below. Tap in. Tap into the Discord. Ask me anything you want in the general chat. I will answer your question. I'm here to help. I gotta go though. I got some one-on-one psychology sessions I gotta do with my VIP members, as well as make my weekly watch list after that. So just tap in below, and we're gonna keep getting this money. We're gonna keep stacking these racks, bro. I'll see y'all in the next video.
T-Stackz Productions.
And I know that's what you want. 100 bands on my watch, 50K for the show. Wait, if I'm making 12 bricks on my chain, gotta tell her make it stop. Possibly, I'm up for putting in things. Put some respect on my name. I see you, baby. Oh, you thinking, oh, I see you, baby. I see you, baby. Like, oh, you thinking, oh, I see you, baby. I see you, baby.